Bawku ensensem no ye kan Bawku a ehun sensem no eye sabi nananom nsem a eye asase ho manso ana tumi ho manso asase ho manso no tumi ho manso na ena akwakofa sabi enuanom a won nyina tena asomdwe mu free tetentere de abepom sa abri no ena won wase atwa mo ho asabi tumi ntino won wa eku mo ho edi won ho ewu na efri ebra won hyase no MPP aban ne bon ho modern ye do betimi aye bia asomdwe ntimi amma esanse enuanom mo ankasa ye mo adwen so mbedi wo mo ho ewu no menyini yesese asomdwe bia beba age so ebegina mo ankasa ntemu yeso mo aye mo adwen sese sei no enya ade so mbeku bio no mbetena se wasomdwe mu na won do wodo atena se ebra wo mampanyi John Dramani Mahama bae no okoye ne won kodi nkomo no hye ho bo se obehwe masomdwe ayede aba obae no de beto Euro Santa Hinanimu na wasrese se de woye ma se bi yende no wonhwe no wonye woye ma dagbon no wonhwe no wonye ne sa emfamma no na esanse Euro Santa ni bibia mu no se bi ya na won pentem na waye bibi wode apotre ne asomdwe ena se bi wode ye ne bibia ena dagbon de no nso so no se bi enyo no nko ara wone ne nua no mu a won so ye ahemfo mpanyimfo a won ewo se bi mentifido no ena wono wonyina ka omoho bu mu a sebi omohwe mu asomdwe ebaye esanse nananom wo mo mentifido no omonim so omode ne Euro Santa Hene ene Euro Santa Hene so nim se na di enso so ene won prakope eno ntinsam ne beto abonten no na wotwetwe mu nimpo no omampanyi John Dramani Mahama sa kan ho bie eka ho asem bie ebra na Bawku mrante ne de tumi hye won nsem a won ekun aposifo ni bia omo hyehye bebia won da no omo SS honoma IGP ko ho a omo satoto bo ede bro won no omampanyi Mahama esa kan ho asem bie na yesusu se na nka Euro Santa Hene be ko Bawku na enso so no ama ne sa se ye nkrata ba beto abonte kyerese Euro Santa Hene opem so se tu nya mekese otwaja mponyakopon do no adom oman wone afanem yenu no ebehia ewo menhia fikese mu na sabie so sabie nya doma ho kwan pa won ede asem ne befa so esanse mpanyini amienu yi womo ena asem ne gina won so yi pa esanse omachidifo no omachitafo no so omokasa omonna omunyina beda omokasa obi anfatu mu ho omunya dutu ne begu ho no ene to omafanu no ena sabi Euro Santa Hene ene ne nuanom aka no omonne omonyina behia ahwe no mo hu kwan pa ombefa so ama Bawku nso etimi anya na somdwe esanse se yeka Bawku a Bawku oboda town wa Bawku generate more revenues and it's kwakoba se omo eye bibi na se e de how e de bre wo man no a e de bre wo mo a emputudwuma hodo na ntimi nkoso ye hwementi fidu emputudwuma hodo emu no ato apre ansa kakra na aka no so ne ye hwema ye se no so a e yade se be hadwe no eno ntimpaye ne ye bose sede Euro Santa Hene ene ne nuanom di kan ye ma asomdwe ba dagbo no so ye hwese ebenam so ama sabi nsupan so ato aguso ama asomdwe so aba Bawku a ehun nsem no ye de ebebrem enunti bosumi ayewo mu ne de toso aduonu enwotwe kopem ne de etoso aduasa ena sabi nananom yi si ho no mo a Euro Santa Hene ede behwe aka Bawku nsem no esiese ama asomdwe aba de aka ne se Euro Santa Hene nkoso Euro ne nkoso asante man nkoso Ghana man nyina enkoso asomdwe ye hwesa asomdwe nso ebeba Bawku medin ede ma mefozia otweda mponyankopon ya adoma yebehia na sansem ni mu no ena papa bia ye frɛ no eye Prince Awa Abagiri ono nso akyere mu sade ono so hu nsem no hu no se ye de fa ebeboa omienkotie ne brane mfansem no ensi.
Yes, the security should intervene, and if they intervene, they should kill anyhow they want. And so many places, don't accuse any security man. No, security man does not tell you that don't tell the truth. You want to tell lies and collect someone's property, or the property that is for me and you are now claiming it that is for you alone. So we are fighting, and security came in, killed someone, and you are now accusing the security. No, you are a liar. And the day of judgment, you will bear that consequence in front of Almighty Allah. God will not leave you. You will answer that question. Because we caused the problem, we called them. and they are now to do their work and you are accusing him. No. Better to agree with the unity, peace, harmony, to live together, that no any secret man will intervene into your culture or in your village. You see, so I am saying this because of we have been seeing so many cliques from different places. No, our security has nothing with anybody. They are not part of someone's scheme. They are not part of someone's land. They are not part of someone's farm. They are not part of someone's curtains or someone anything. No, they are doing their work, and we used to call them. If we didn't argue with one another, they will not come. If chieftaincy issue, we should sit down. I know how your grandfather started. You know how my grandfather started. I know where your first settlement. Who was the first person? Who was the second person? And due to that, when do we get and skin men? When do we get skin chieftaincy? We know where it started. So if you are going around telling lies, you don't want to go to the process. Look, chieftaincy is not something that you pick it at the market. It's from generation. You see? So that is why I'm saying, Ghana, we are facing this problem. And everywhere is smoking. Chieftaincy and land issue. Chieftaincy, land issue. Even our curtains has no problem for that. Chieftaincy, land issue. Chieftaincy, land issue. If we are not paying hard, if this smoke around the country, when it's back one day, we can't control it. We can't. And it is because some people are telling lies. They are telling lies. You have money, you can't help your people, but you have money to go and bribe someone to collect through for you. Look, this is our tradition. This one is a tradition. If you put shame on it, you and your family, you will never come up in this world. You will destroy till your great-great-grandfathers. This is what I just want to put it to everybody, those who are watching this video. I am begging them to be patient for the country to be cool so that everybody can roam freely, do his business, so that we can get a way forward. Thank you very much.